Thank you for viewing another Designer One training video. In today's video, we're going to show you our secondary contact exporter utility. Inside of ACT on a contact, you have the ability to associate a contact as a subcontact or a secondary contact. These secondary contacts are treated as second-class citizens, if you will, and you can't export to them, you can't email to them. So if you ever want to have a mailer or some kind of marketing piece that contacts all of your contacts in your database, including the secondary contacts, it's kind of tough to pull that information out. Well, we have a utility that will take that information and put it into Microsoft Excel. So here's how it works. Let me go ahead and close ACT here, and I have already downloaded my secondary export setup file, so I'm going to go ahead and double click on it so I can run the installer. Installer is a typical Designer One installer where you just got to click next a couple times. I don't believe there's any options in this one, so just leave everything as the default. And we'll see what happens here. The installer shouldn't take too long. Okay, the installer is now done. We're going to go ahead and click on close, and then we're going to open up ACT. And you notice when ACT opens, it's going to prompt us for a registration piece. So I'm going to go ahead and click on register. So I'm going to plug in my serial number, click on that register button, and then it's going to go do its thing on the backside. Once the registration is complete, you get a nice little thank you message and information on where you can contact support. After you click on close, ACT will actually open and allow you to log onto the database. And this is actually a pretty simple utility. Once we get into the database, you'll notice here when I go to the tools menu, I now have a new option that says secondary contact export. So if I click on this, it allows me to click on go. And once it's done, you can click on close, and here it is. So you can then reformat this, slice it, and dice it as you see fit, and call it good. That's our secondary contact exporter. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope to hear from you soon.